Hi, it's Dagan Hills here, and I needed something to eat tonight. I didn't want to spend any money and get anything out, and I was kind of lazy, and so I was looking, what could I make? And it's really simple. It's actually vegetarian, except for the cheese, but, you know, I'm not much of a vegan or anything. But I had made some penne, and then I added some sauce, some mushroom sauce, and threw a little bit of cheese on top and baked it. And it's just a simple dinner. But I thought, well, it'll be something good for the tummy. So I was going to film it, but it just seems so basic. You just boil the noodles, you mix the sauce, it's like, come on. This is, I'm starting to laugh and shake. This shouldn't even be a video, though. It's like, come on. It's just, it almost looks like Stouffer's, but it's actually not. It looks pretty good. Little bit. That pot holder, I'd move it, but it's burning. The pot holder, a lady I know made it for me. It was really sweet, but I use it a lot. I didn't want to use it at first, and I thought, it's a pot holder. May as well use it. So I just wanted to come on here and show you what I had for dinner. It's a simple recipe. It's really nothing much to it. I put a little bit of garlic in there and a little seasoning. Nothing too fancy, but it looks like it's going to taste good. Maybe I can show you what it'll look like. Okay, I'm back, and I'm going to use the spoon. It's been in the family forever. It's one of those things, a simple spoon, but I cherish it. Scooped a lot of nice dinners. So let's see what we got here. See if it's worth it. If I may as well have ordered out. Oh, wow. Woo! That looks pretty good. I make that funny sound, and I try not to do that, but sometimes looks pretty good, huh? So food doesn't have to be really fancy to be good and wholesome. I know a lot of people can't eat carbs and things, but I work really hard and I need a nice dinner. Sometimes my lunch gets sacrificed due to time restraints. But just a little piece there, you don't see that at all. So I just wanted to say, sometimes you can make really good food with simple things. It doesn't have to be, pop out and get some fast food crap, A lot of that's so bad. And also, if you're on a budget, which I try to be. And the key word is I try. So thanks a lot for watching. Sorry this is kind of a filler video, but just felt like filming something. So thanks for watching. I'll talk to you real soon. Bye.